everyone. I'm sure all of you are doing just fine by keeping good. Every year, 22nd of April is celebrated as World Earth Day. This is to demonstrate our support for the protection of the environment we live in. We live in a beautiful planet called Earth. Not only us, it supports many other living beings as well. What can we do to make this planet a better place to live in? Well, here are a few tips. Firstly, plant saplings. Saplings grow into huge trees. Huge trees will have strong roots which can prevent rainwater from running downstream. The more water it conserves, the water table automatically goes up and the soil becomes more fertile. Regreening the planet is one of the best things that we can do to alternate the climatic changes. Secondly, reuse and recycle. All of us know the ill effects of using plastic. There are many supplements that go better than using a plastic thing. And reusing or recycling our old clothes, stitching them into various forms of bags can help us in many ways. Farm produce. Many a times when I visit the green groceries, I see people buying exotic fruits and vegetables from far off land. It's more sensible and advisable to buy farm produce which is grown closer home, because it contains less preservatives. Less preservatives on your dining table, you eat more healthier food. Also, become a trendsetter in your neighborhood. Here I mean, you have to be more careful and educate your neighborhood to segregate wet and dry waste. This is a small step to make and keep your environment clean. Not only on land, but also the oceans and the seas. Many a times we have seen some disturbing pictures of plastic ending up in the bellies of sharks and whales. All this reminds me of one thing called blogging. Blogging is a new eco-sensitive, eco-friendly hobby of walkers and joggers, not only in the parks but also on the beaches. They collect whatever is strewn carelessly with the people around, and it is certainly, as I mentioned, is eco-sensitive and very eco-friendly hobby. It can be very enriching too. Come, let's do it together to bring a beautiful change in the planet we live, because this is the only one planet that we have. Happy World Earth Day. Thank you.